Alien laugh and say, "Who are you?" What else to say without people? He again hear us, "Who are you?" What can I say? The planet called Earth without resident. We have come from Adam and Eve, becoming siblings from them. Suffering for thousands of years, we have suffered. We have come from Abraham, Moses and Jesus, and also from Muhammad alayhi salam. We are living in the world by making history. We have learned science from Einstein, Newton and Ibn Sina. We have made the civilization by making Rumi, Iqbal, Nazrul and Shakespeare. We have come from the world-shaking Russian Revolution. We have come from the Bastille of the French Revolution. We have come from Lincoln, Lenin and Sultan Selim. We have come from the footsteps of George Washington. We have come from Greek, Mughal and Ottoman Empire. We have come from the Luther King's quote, "I have a dream." We have come from the non-violent movement of Mahatma Gandhi. We have come from the Quran, Islam, Injil and also from the Quran. We have learned humanity from the amiable message of the great men. We have come from the Medina Charter. We have come from the United Nations Charter. We have come from the ancient Greek city-state. We have come from the dome of the Taj Mahal. This time, the alien yawned in my ear canal. How much virtue you have? Then why such a division among you? But what is the history of division among us? Not rich to you. The split is in the identity just, not more else. But basically, there is only one identity. We are just people. But basically, there is only one identity. We are just people. The artist in nationalism as well as the artist in citizenship. We live in the earth by taking this identity. We turn from door to door of people to tell the spirit of unity. We have the same creator. We have the same creator. We turn from door to door of people to tell the spirit of unity. We have the same creator.